In the heart of the jungle, a small bird chirps, oblivious to the lurking danger. Nestled amidst emerald leaves, it flutters, its song echoing through the tranquil wilderness. Its innocent eyes glint, unaware of the perils that lie ahead. But as the bird sings its sweet melody, an uninvited guest slithers closer. Silent as a shadow, the snake begins its stealthy approach. The tension in the air is palpable. Each slither is slow, calculated, almost like a deadly dance of patience and precision. The snake, a silent stalker, expertly navigates the underbrush, its senses keenly tuned to its surroundings. The unsuspecting bird remains blissfully unaware of the impending danger. The world around them seems to hold its breath, the silence punctuated only by the rustling of leaves. Every rustle, every movement, the snake inches closer to the unsuspecting bird. The snake, now within striking distance, has the bird in its sights. There's a palpable tension in the air, a tiny life hanging on a thread, seconds away from becoming a mere morsel. The serpent, coiled and ready, its cold eyes locked on the vulnerable prey. Its forked tongue flicks out, tasting the fear. The bird, frozen in the face of danger, is acutely aware of the peril it's in, and then, in the blink of an eye, the snake lunges. But life, it seems, has other plans for our little bird. At the brink of danger, a spark of instinct ignites within the bird. It becomes acutely aware of the looming threat, the slithering menace. It's a sudden realization that survival is not a question of strength, but of cunning and speed. And so, with a fluttering heartbeat, the bird takes a swift leap of faith, narrowly escaping the snake's deadly strike. The snake lunges, but it's too late. Its fangs meet nothing but empty air as the bird ascends towards the open sky. The snake's sinister plan is foiled, its attack unsuccessful. The bird has outsmarted its adversary and escaped the jaws of death. And so, the bird lives to sing another day, a tale of survival against all odds,